And this is called Langota. It's a special yogic underwear that wear for men. And men, by wearing this Langota, they become manly. They can control their lust. So the sexual desire is not increased for those who wear this Langota. This is the secret how yogis control sexual desire. And my dada, my acharya, he said, like he recommended me to wear this, but I didn't want to wear this. And one year I was struggling. So I ended up coming and getting this Langota. And when I put it on for the first time, I felt so calm, I felt so peaceful. I felt that prana, vital energy in my Svadhisthana chakra, it circulates very pleasantly and it gives me such a smooth feeling. Because I felt for 2 days, like when I just put it on, for 2 days, I felt bliss in my Svadhisthana chakra. Wow, it was so pleasant. I felt like at ease. So now I don't need to do a lot of efforts to control lust. It becomes really naturally. So the science behind this is that our genital organs, right? If it's hanging down and if it's loose out there, then it will cause agitation inside. But once you wear this langota in such a way, this part will tighten it up like this, and you will make it tight, and so that way the genital organs will be pointed upwards. So the energy will not flow through into the lower chakras, it will flow into the higher chakras, which is very congenial for meditation and more subtle ideas. And of course, I mentioned that it gives fighting spirit, it gives confidence. There's one beautiful story how one king had a wrestling team. Here he was in India and he had a wrestling team. And those wrestlers, they were just a bunch of losers. They were keep losing and losing and losing. And king got really mad. And he already tried so many options, he didn't know what to do. So, yogis or sages were respected because they were the wisest people. And he came to them and he said, do whatever you want, but I give you 1 week. In 1 week, my team should win. You do whatever you need, but in 1 week, they should win. And when king left, and the yogis were thinking, oh my God, what we will do? So they started doing meditation. They meditated. Then they gathered together, they started consulting. And then one of them said, okay, now I have the solution. And finally they came to a king and they presented this, the Langota. And the king said, what is this? And they said, this is special yogic underwear. If you put it on your wrestlers, they will start winning. And he make all his wrestlers wear this Langota. So the wrestlers, when they went into a fight, they start knocking one opponent after another opponent, after the third opponent, and so on and so on. And they end up winning. And the king was very happy with them. So that Langota, it gives the fighting spirits. So you can fight against injustice in this world.